Hello guys, today I've got the MOTOROLA Moto G67 and I'm going to show you how to enable the one-handed mode on your device. At first, open settings. Now scroll down to the gestures over here and now tap one-handed mode. Make sure this is enabled, and as you can see, swipe down to pull screen to reach or show notifications. Let it be pull screen into reach. Here we have one-handed mode shortcut. If we tap it, we can see here quick settings, accessibility button, accessibility gesture, or volume keys, and it can be enabled or disabled. And now to enable like this, we need to wait a moment. Is enabled, is enabled. Here we have got this bottom bar. You need to scroll down here near this bottom bar to use the one-handed mode, but it's difficult to enable sometimes. And now using one-handed mode. To exit, swipe up from the bottom on the screen or tap anywhere above the app. That's it. Goodbye.